Looking to save on your next purchase from Rail Europe? You've come to the right place. On the Offers.com Rail Europe page, you can find great discounts for affordable transportation all around Europe. It's easy to apply a coupon or coupon code to a purchase on RailEurope.com. Simply find the offer that best matches what you're looking for, click on the Savings button, and a pop-up will appear. Your savings may be automatically applied at checkout, or you will be provided with a coupon code needed to save. Once you choose what you would like to purchase, head to checkout and you'll see your savings have automatically been applied. It's quick, easy, and you just saved money.
And remember, all the offers are verified, rated, and updated daily by our awesome Offers.com team, so you never have to worry about them not working when you go to make a purchase. Save money every time you shop online with the best deals, coupons, and sales by heading to Offers.com.